Hello, welcome to Shop Talk. We're going to look at a German-made muscle saw, Stihl 051, 89 cc's, 5.34 cubic inch. Power head on that weighs 21 pounds. Okay, we're running up to a 54-inch bar and chain. This one features a new 28-inch 3/8 pitch chain, a bar and chain, sprocket nose. And we'll look at some of the features on this saw. Kill switch is on the left here. Choke's on the right. It does have a throttle lock to make it easier to start this big saw. Trigger up the throttle here and then squeeze that in there, and that holds it at a higher idle. It does have a decompression valve right here. You will need to use it on this big saw. Gas reservoir. And the oil reservoir up front there. Right here. That's a hand guard, not a chain brake. That's just a hand protector, it is not a chain brake. Got the large falling spikes. And it's just a good running saw, and we'll go outside and make a cut with it.